All right, here we go with 5th grade Excel, lesson 49, dividing with a 2-digit divisor and a dividend less than 100 with remainders, learning division facts with dividends up to 81 and less than 100 with 12 as a factor. So we're going to be looking at two-digit divisors, division problems with a number out here that's 2 digits. Well, what makes these tricky is that you don't have your 14s times tables memorized, probably. And so what you have to do to solve these is just guess and check. So the method that we're going to be doing is called guess and check. You want to try to make a guess that's close, of course, so you don't have to check it too many times. But you're going to guess, how many times does 14 go into 44? Well, let's just say you try 2 at first. So what I want you to do is use the margin of your paper to do this work. I'm going to use this margin. Actually, let's get rid of a lot of this stuff here. Here we go. So we're going to use the margin of our paper. You do 14 times 2, and you say, what's that? 8, 28. That seems kind of far away from 44. Maybe I better try seeing if it can fit in again. So I try 14 times 3. Notice I'm guessing, and then I'm checking. 4 times 3 is 12, carry the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 42, 44. That's pretty close. And so we're going to put a 3 up here above that 4, not above this 4, because I'm putting into 44. And then I've already done the 14 times 3 over here, which is equal to 42. I can write that down below, and I get 2, or remainder 2. All right, so remember, guess and check. Use the margins for your guessing. 89 divided by 43. Here's 89 divided by 43. How many times do you think it goes in? And so you use the margin over here, you guess it. You say 2 times, which comes out to be 86. You subtract and you get 3, 2, remainder 3. Now the rest of these have words telling you what numbers to fill in for the problems. So let's do number 2 together. It says 85 divided by 21. Okay, let's guess and check this. Well, I know I can count by 20s pretty easily, so let me count by 20s to come up with a good guess. 20, 40, 60, 80. Well, that's 4 times that 20 would go into 80. So let me just try the number 4. Let's do this in the margin. Everybody write this over in the margin of your paper. 21 times 4. Go ahead and do that. See if you can beat me in getting the answer. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 84. Well, look at that. That's really close to 85. Notice I'm multiplying 21 by 4, not 20 by 4. I just used 20 to help me come up with a good guess. It's like an estimate. So I put a 4 over here above the 5, not above the 8. And I already know that 21 times 4 is 84. And I subtract and get 1. Okay, now let's check it by doing 21 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And add my remainder. 84 plus 1 is 85. It comes out the same as that, so I can feel good about it. All right, pause the video. Do just number 3. Just number 3. Here's the problem right here. Turn the video back on when you're ready to see the solution. It says 67 divided by 16. Okay, how many times do we think 16 can go into 67? Let's try 5 times. 16 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Ooh, 80. That's a little too big. We can't go above 67. So we'll try a different one. 16 times 4. Since 5 was too big, I'm going down to 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 64, 67 is what I'm trying to fit into. That's looking pretty good. So above the 7, I'm going to write the number 4 because I know that 16 times 4 is what I just did over there. 64 is what it's equal to. Subtract and get 3, so my answer is 4, remainder 3. 16 times 4, multiplying these two together here. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2, and that's 6. 64 plus the 3, 67. Feeling pretty good about my answer. All right, why don't you pause the video, do 4 and 5 right here. Turn the video back on when you're ready to see the solutions. All right, here are the problems. They're written out here. And we've already done these, so we're on to number 4. 98 divided by 24. How many 24s are in 98? Let's guess 4 of them. 24 times 4. 16, 8, 96. That looks pretty close. So I'm going to put a 4 up here, 96, and get 2. and then I do 24 times 4, which I've already done right here, 96, plus 2 is 98. Ta-da! Okay, 13 is 66. Oh, let's try, how about 4 again? 13 times 4, 3 times 4 is 12, and that's 52. Let's see. That might need to go in again. Let's 5. Let's try 5. 13 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 65. Now, there we go. That's a little bit closer. So I'm going to put a 5 up here. 5 times 13 is 65. Subtract and get 1. I've got remainder 1. I do 13 times 5, which I've already done right here. 65 plus 1 is 66. Feeling pretty good about that. All right, here's a family of facts. 7 times 8, 7 times 8. We reverse it and put 8 times 7. The answer to both of these is 56. If you know your times tables, go ahead and write this on your page. 56 divided by 7 is 8, and 56 divided by 8 is 7. That's a family of facts. Easy cheesy, right? The next one shows you the problem right here. Pause the video, do number 7. Turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. 7 times 9, 63. 9 times 7, 63. 63 divided by 7 is 9. 63 divided by 9 is 7. There you have another family of facts. Okay, 2 more families of facts. Pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Oh, no, these are already done. Sorry. Here we go. 4 more families of facts. Pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution to all 4 of these problems here, all 4 of them. Okay, this is what you should have written in right here. 9 times 6, 6 times 9, which is equal to 54. And 54 divided by 6 is 9. 54 divided by 9 is 6. 12 times 8 is 96. And 96, yeah, oops, that's a 12. And that's an 8. That should be a 12 right there. And then down to here, 12 times 6 is 72. 72 divided by 6 is 12. 72 divided by 12 is 6. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 72 divided by 9 is 8. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.